Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video talks about what to do for kids who can't stand the feel of beach sand. In this category, it's really important to go alternative. Getting a little beach tent at the beach. Using swim socks, swim shoes, even regular socks or thick-soled shoes will certainly help prevent sand from making contact with the feet. If you want to try some desensitization, some gentle massage to the feet might be helpful. And remember, do not force your child to put their feet in any kind of texture they don't like. Desensitization is a slow process, and if needed, consult an occupational therapist for very clear and specific desensitization methods that might help.